Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to say being selected or being chosen. For instance, when we say, I was being chosen to be on the basketball team, or being selected to play on the basketball team. So that's how we say it in Chinese, 被选上,被选上. This should have a downtone. 被选上,被 being chosen, being selected, 被. Now, step by step. I finished the left part. "被选选. This is a little challenging to write this one, but I'll write again later on. 上, being selected. 上 is an easy one. 上. Okay. 被选上. I'm going to write 选 again. Being selected, being chosen. 被选上. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.